So in this video, we want to show that 8 lots of 2x take away 3 plus 3 lots of 4 take away x take away 2 is equivalent to 13x take away 14. Now, the way to approach this is to take one side of the equivalency. So take one of the expressions and you want to manipulate it to get it to the other side. Now, in order to do this, I would always advise that you take the most complicated looking side and use that one to try and engineer it to get to the other side. If I started with this one and tried to engineer it to look like this, that's a little bit more tricky, okay? So let's take this side. So I'm going to identify it as the left-hand side, LHS, and I'm going to write 8 2x take away 3. So I'm just going to repeat that in my working. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I now want to expand those brackets out. Now, if you were to write this equals here, or an equivalency, you shouldn't really get penalised for that. Okay, so you might accidentally slip back into writing equals here, but we are essentially trying to write it down as an equivalency that the next line is the same as my previous part. Okay, so let's do this. 8 lots of 2x is 16x. 8 lots of minus 3 is minus 24. Then we have 3 lots of 4, which is 12. And then 3 lots of minus x, so minus 3x. And we've got the take away 2. Okay? So, we have 16x take away 3x, which is 13x. We then have minus 24 plus 12, so that gets us to minus 12, take away 2, which is the minus 14. So really what they're looking for here is the stages that you go through to get from one side, the left-hand side, over to the right-hand side. And they want to see those expanded brackets.